Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Poetic Guardian for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I really like this case. I just got it in yesterday from Poetic. I am using the frame with the built-in screen protector, even over top of my existing screen protector. So working very well. They do also include a frame without a screen protector on the front if you want to either just use your bare screen, or you have a pre-installed screen protector and you don't want to have it doubled up. But I haven't had any issues with the glass screen protector underneath and the plastic one on top. Two plastic ones might give you kind of a weird effect, but like I said, for me, been perfectly fine. We do have a little cutout up here for the camera system and the sensors in the dynamic island right there. So there's that on the plastic one. On the back here, we have a nice camera cutout with a raised edge, so you don't have to worry about your lenses. They will be protected when you put your phone down. This is a MagSafe compatible case. So we have my spec MagSafe wallet right here. As you can see, snaps right on, lines right up. No issues there. Very strong, as you can see. I really like the magnet system on this one, how it is kind of a gray. I've got the black titanium 15 Pro Max, and you can see it almost matches the back of the phone perfectly. It's a little bit brighter, but looking on camera it looks a lot brighter, but in person it matches the back of the phone almost perfectly. So I like that fits right in, because some of these cases, you know, they have the back and they have that big bright white you know, MagSafe magnet system, and it's kind of annoying just having that big old ring right there in bright white. So I like how that blends in with that. On the bottom here we do have a covered USB-C port, which is very nice. Obviously this is a more rugged style case, so that covered port is nice to see. It'll keep any dirt and dust and stuff out of there. We have your power button right there. It's actually labeled, which is pretty cool. It's got the little power symbol on there. Buttons are easy to press, they're clicky, responsive, no issues there. We've got your volume right here, up and down, and then we have your action button, which the action button has a nice little kind of indented in the middle, so when you put your finger on it you can tell that it is not one of the volume buttons. It does have a different feel to it, which is nice. I wish that's something that the iPhone itself by default had, because with the press and hold I find myself pressing the volume up button and, you know, just turning my volume up real quick if I go to use the action button. So I like that that is easy to tell that it is the action button over the volume buttons. Nice textured sides here, so very grippy. Overall, just a really nice put together case. Again, they do include both frames, so if you want to use it with a screen protector, you don't have to have this plastic one on it, which I know some people prefer. So that is the Poetic Guardian for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm Colin with Techout. I'll leave a link to this down in the description below to where you can pick one up on Amazon. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day.